Hi, this is Wiz. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the Tesla Model 3 long range. I finally lowered my car using the H&R springs and it looks so good. It looks so mean. It looks really good. It is so aggressive. Keep in mind that I do have spacers on my wheels. I have 18 millimeters in the front and I have 20 millimeters in the back. And those are the standard 18-inch wheels. And I think they looks cool. What do you think? I'm even considering whether should I upgrade to 20-inch or not, because the car looks so good like this. But problem is the car is just too low. Nobody told me that the H&R springs are too low, and usually people prefers the Eibach one. I didn't know that. I went for the H&R. And this is the result, especially in the front. The back is okay, but the front is just too low. What's the problem with that? Where I temporarily live, I don't know if you're aware, but I'm building a new house, so I temporarily live on a flat, and I do have two parking places in a garage, but there is a kind of a ramp. And the car is actually just too low. I've already destroyed the plastic protection that were here, the mud plastic protection. Don't know how you call them. I just destroyed one. Have a look. Those are the plastic protection I was talking about. And as you can see, this one is just destroyed. For the one who doesn't know, this goes here. They go like that, and they protect from gravels and dirty from damaging this part of the bodywork. So basically I had to remove them because I was touching everywhere. What should I do? I'm considering upgrading for my Somerset to 20-inch wheels. And I'm considering going quite wide, 10.520 on the rear and 920 on the front, 285 on the rear and 245 on the front. Now I'm afraid that is gonna rub everywhere. Obviously, I first need to put the wheel on and see. I will take away the spacers. Spacers are only for my winter set because I wanted the wheels to be flush with the fenders. And I quite succeed on that. But now I'm afraid that if I go 20 with these lower springs, it's gonna touch somewhere. And I honestly don't know with my summer wheel configuration if the car gonna be a little bit higher or not. Another solution would be to go with the full Enchilada and buy the coilovers. but they are quite expensive, 2,900 Swiss franc. Consider that I paid 450 for the springs, so it's quite an upgrade on expenses. But I think it would solve my problem, because being adjustable, then I could really adjust and adapt the ride height to the wheel setup. But again, this is quite costly. And it's a shame, because I'm so happy the way the car looks. Pictures and video doesn't do justice, because it looks way better in real. I have to say, I really like the shape of this Model 3, the way I'm building it. But now I'm even considering if I should go with the Maxton kit. I wanted to put the front lip, the side skirts and the rear diffuser from Maxton, but the car is so low right now that adding the front lip is gonna be a real problem on some roads. So at the end, what do you think? What would you do? Would you leave the springs like this and just be careful wherever you drive? Would you go for the full coilover, adjustable coilovers? Would you stay with these 18-inch wheels? Or would you go with the 20? Let me know in the comments. As usual, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.